Micro Lite is a legacy brand of lighting controllers that was acquired by Lutron Electronics in the early 2000s. Lutron discontinued the Micro Lite brand, but still provides limited support for some of its legacy products. Due to the age and discontinuation of the Micro Lite brand, there is limited information available online. However, Lutron offers some resources that may be helpful. Firstly, there is a product specification sheet available at Lutron. com/technical document library /369,229_eng.pdf. Secondly, there is an installation manual available at Lutron. com/technical document library /369,230_eng.pdf. Lutron may be able to assist with finding compatible replacement switches and reconfiguring the system. Contact Lutron technical support at 1-888-588.7661 or support@lutron.com. An experienced electrical contractor familiar with Lutron systems may be able to help with the reconfiguration. If compatible replacement switches from Lutron cannot be found, consider using third-party products that are compatible with the Clear Connect protocol used by Micro Lite systems. Reconfiguring a lighting control system can be complex and should only be attempted by qualified personnel.